so much fun, I love it. Alright, first unboxing and assembly. They do offer on-site installation, but just okay, I want to try it myself because I want to see okay, if it's easy to assemble or not. Now let's get started. Oh my god, this is gigantic AutoFull quick guide, as you can see. 13 steps. Footrest. Okay, they offer some cables which I have never seen in other chairs. Wow, this is heavy. These are everything that's included in the box. Now, let's assemble it. Okay. Okay. And now, talking. Yeah, that's like that. Yeah. That's it. And last, what about the wires? Well, they have a smart design. You just put all of the wires through this hole. That's it. Just look how neat it is. And that is the installation. Guys, I just cannot wait to sit on. Wow. Ooh, that's smooth. That's smooth, super smooth. Oh, woo! So much fun. I love it. And that wraps up the unboxing and assembly. Just follow the guide and you have it set up in no time. I've been using this as my daily office chair ever since, and here's my honest experience. Spoiler alert, I absolutely love it. First and foremost, the overall build quality. This thing looks and feels premium and super robust. Check this out. It supports up to 180 kilograms max load, so no worries about it breaking. And you know what? It even comes with a footrest. Just pull it out and this thing can literally be your bed. But that's not all. There's so much more to the AutoFull M6 Ultra. It's designed entirely with convenience in mind. When it comes to gaming chairs, I've tried several before, so I definitely have opinions. One major issue with many gaming chairs is poor breathability. After sitting for a long time, it can literally feel like your body's on fire. Don't ask how I know that. My usual workaround was to buy an extra breathable cushion, which was kind of a hassle. But with the AutoFull M6 Ultra, check this out. It's breathable right out of the box. I can sit for hours and still feel comfortable. Even better, it offers 3 built-in functions. Remember these cables I mentioned earlier? You can plug them into the power bank to activate the built-in ventilation. It gently blows cool air up from the seat. No more sweaty discomfort. It also has a heating for cold days and even massage functionality. Once activated, the lumbar area gently vibrates, helping relax your lower back after long gaming or work sessions. Speaking of lumbar support, this is another highlight. Many gaming chairs either skip it entirely or use a separate cushion that's easy to lose. The M6 Ultra comes with a built-in lumbar support, so you never have to worry about that. And check this out. On the right side of the backrest, there's a lever. Pull outward and hold. It allows the lumbar support to automatically contour to a waist. Once you find your perfect position, just release the lever and locks right here. Super convenient. What's more, you can rotate this knob to adjust the lumbar board vertically. This is the most flexible lumbar support I've ever seen. Absolutely love it. Moving on, you'll definitely appreciate this versatile armrests. They're just 70mm up or down and 90mm forward or backward. But here is my favorite part. They support 360-degree rotation on the main axis. None of the gaming chairs I've reviewed before could do this. With that, wherever you place your elbows, the armrests are there to support your arms. Sometimes when I'm in racing game mode, I even use the armrest like a gear shifter. So fun! Plus, you can fold the armrest up 20 degrees. It's just packed with flexibility and fun to use. Unlike most gaming chairs that offer a fixed headrest, this one gives you a 32mm forward, backward adjustment and a 100mm up-down adjustment. So whenever you want to rest your neck or head comfortably, just adjust it to your liking. The 60-degree side wrap hugs my neck perfectly. It's incredibly comfy, even those of during work ones. Don't tell my boss. So, after weeks of using the AutoFull M6 Ultra, I can confidently say it's hands down the best gaming chair I've ever used. It's solid, packed with features, and although it's marketed as a gaming chair, it's absolutely perfect for office use too. Among all the M6 models, the Ultra stands out as the top tier version, but if you feel it might be a bit overkill for your needs, definitely check out the other M6 variants with slightly scaled down specs. They're still great. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching, Miss Amy. I will see you in the next one.